had a great question from a beginner trader today. Somebody who's an absolute novice about shorts. What are shorts? How can you sell something which you don't own? So this one's just for the beginners. And I'd say about 20% of our Pips Predator indicator users are beginners. So this one's just for you guys. And what is a short and how can that possibly work? So I've taken the example here of Metrobank because I was looking at it earlier for another video that I was doing. Okay, and the red arrow, when that appears on Pips Predator, that means it's a short. So we're going to sell at that red line. Okay, so how on earth do we sell? And this is the price. It's written out for you at £5.65. How do we sell something at £5.63, which we don't own? And currently the price is £5.55. So it's dropped around 8 pence, which, depending on how big our trade size was, has made us some money. All right. So how do we do that? How do we sell something we don't own? Well, the fact of the matter is, whether you're doing options or futures or CFDs, contracts for differences, or spread betting, you can sell something you don't own because they're essentially, like I said, they're all essentially contracts for differences. What's a contract for difference? Whether it's called a spread bet or a future or an option, all of these derivatives are contracts for differences. And it's and what it means is it's a contract, an agreement between you and the broker that you will get the difference, contract for difference, the difference between the sell price and the buy price. That's it. It's just a contract. It's just an agreement. Do you own Metro shares in order to sell them? No. When you buy them with your broker, do you own them? And unless you're actually buying the shares, no. Okay, so that's how you can short things you don't own. All you have to worry about is you're still, to make profits, you're either ever in life selling high and buying low, or buying low and selling high. The order in which you do it almost doesn't matter. Okay. Elsewhere for Pips Predator apprentices in the 30-day course, I go into details on stock borrowing and all sorts of things. You don't need to worry about that, but it's just in case people want to have greater understanding of what shorting is. Then that's useful to know. So I hope you found that incredibly energizing and great fun. Okay. Thanks very much.